Have you been making a ruffle hat that ends up being slacky? That is over slacky at the brim here. So I want you to watch this video so you can know how you can make it that it won't slack. That is, it won't slack at this brim point. Welcome to this channel. My name is Temitope of Little Fit Craft. In this tutorial, I want to share you how I made this ruffle hat. For this tutorial, I'll be using this Nigerian brand of yarn, yarn, and I'll be using 4.5mm crochet hook. I'll be using tape measure to measure, and I'll also be using scissors and tapestry needles to weave in the necessary ends. So let's get started. So I'll be using 2 strands of this yarn. I'll be doubling the strand. So make your magic ring. So into this magic ring, I'll be making 12 double crochet. 1, 12. So I'll fasten off and join these rounds together. So this is what I have at this point. Chain 2. Now into each of the stitches, I'll be making 2 double crochet. I'll slip stitch to join the round together. So for the third round, I'll make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the next stitch. So this is what I have at this point. Next is to slip stitch and continue your work. Chain 2. So 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the second stitch, and 2 double crochet in the third stitch. So on the 5th round, chain 2 and repeat your increase. So 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next, in the third stitch, and 2 double crochet in the fourth stitch. So this is the end of our increase. At this point, I will start crocheting round without any increase. I'll just slip stitch and make 1 double crochet in each of the stitches till I get to the last stitch, and I'll repeat this for about few rows. So I'll repeat it till I get to the total of 12 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll make a total of 12 rows. So I'll come back at that point and show you what to do next. So at this point, this is what I have. and let me measure for you to see. So I have about 6 inches, but remember that it will be stretched on the edge, which will increase to about 7 inches. Now on to the next step. Chain 2. The next step will be a reduction on each of the stitches round. So this is how I'll go about it. So I'll yarn over and insert my hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and insert it to the next stitch, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So this is how we do for each of the stitches round. This is how I will continue till I get to the very last stitch. So it will close this circumference a bit. And slip stitch into the first stitch. At this point, this is what I have. This is what I have. This is how the circumference will be. So next is to start a ruffle area. Now chain 2. In each of the stitches I'll be placing 3 double crochet into it. So I'll continue putting 3 double crochet in each of the stitches till I get to the last stitch. So for the second round of the ruffle, I'll be changing color. So I'll be using this second color. So I'll gently secure this strand of yarn tightly at the back. Make chain 2. So for the second row, this is what I have now at this point. So for the second row of the ruffle, I'll be making chain 2 and 3 double crochet in each of the stitches till the end. Three double crochet. One, 2, and 3. So I'll continue working 3 double crochet in each of the stitches till I get to the last stitch, and I'll come back and show you what to do next. So I'm going to change to the previous color I've been using. Slip stitch and join this color. chain too. So let's cut it off so we can tie firmly at the back. Now for the last row, I'll be repeating 3 double crochet in each of the stitches. Why I'm doing this is because I want a very full ruffle. So you can decide to do any ruffle you want, but this one is very perfect too. So I'll repeat the 3 double crochet in each of the stitches till I get to the last stitch, and I'll come back and show you how it looks like and what to do next. At this point, this is what we have. Look at how ruffled the ruffle art is. Look at how beautiful it is. So if you're here to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So I'll be seeing you in my next. Have a nice day.